Today, we are doing something completely different. I know you noticed that we're not in the studio and we're not even gonna be talking about mortgages today. Today, we're on location at the site of my brand new office that we've been working on for the last couple of months, and we're down to the final wire. We've probably got another few weeks and then we're gonna be moving into this bad boy. But I wanted to share this journey with you guys because most of you have been watching me since day one on my channel. And because of you, we've been able to grow our business and help more people through home ownership. Now, I wanted to share some behind the scenes, and if you like this kind of stuff, make sure to comment below and tell me, and we will start to show more behind the scenes of what we do every day. But I wanted to share this moment with you guys, so let's go take a look at the office. It's still under construction, but we're getting down to the final wire, and I wanted to share this with you. And you can see our name is not even on the board yet, but we're gonna be located on the second floor. So whenever any of you get a chance to come to the office, this is where you will be able to find us. The one thing that I love about this building is that it is a brand new building. No one's been in our office before. This thing has been designed for us. So I love the fact that we get to basically start almost a new chapter going into the new year, which I'm super excited about. Whoa, we're boarded up today. They boarded this thing up. This is actually going to be our grand entrance right off the elevator. So we're actually going to have to take you through a side door. So let's go check it out. This first room that I wanted to show you is our media/content room. And as all of you have been following my journey over the last several years, I've been building my business off of YouTube and social media. That's one of the things that we'd like to teach all of our loan officers that are in our branch to help them build their business so they can build a brand. That's the number one thing you need to look for as a loan officer these days. And that's where we can actually help other loan officers. So if you're at another company and you're not getting the support you need, and you're looking to take your social media presence to the next level, we will have the room here to do it for you. We have an editing team, we have videographers, we have everyone on staff to help grow your business, scale everything online, and even to help all of our realtor partners as well. So I'm super excited to share this room with you folks once we get this thing all dialed in, because this will be our new home for all of our new content, and I just can't wait to start filming in here. This next room is going to be our conference room, and it should hold about 14 to 16 people. So again, this thing is gonna be top notch, so we can start holding trainings, teaching our agent partners how to be more successful in this shifting market, whether it's new strategies, new opportunities for loan programs that they may not be aware of, and also partnering with our title and escrow partners so we can have a place to teach CE classes and again, provide more education and value to all of our real estate partners. And now as we come out to the lobby area, this part's gonna be walled off where we're actually gonna have a little break room for everyone in the office, get some TVs on the wall into our kitchen area. And you can even see here in our bullpen, we should have about 14 or so desks where our loan officers can come and go as they please. They can come into the office, plug in, get some work done, and shoot some content. Since so many people love to work from home, but I'm a big proponent of coming into the office, and I can't wait to be able to come into a new office every single day. It's just gonna be that much more fun to do what we do. And the cool thing about some of these offices right here, they will actually have a strip view. So at night, you'll be able to see the entire Las Vegas Strip. And once we get these covers down, you'll have a pretty cool view to call your own office. So that wraps up the tour of the brand new office. As you can see, we're still under construction. We probably got another couple of months before all this will be said and done. And we will definitely be bringing you the reveal. And this is a super important process for us. And this means a lot because we started this search for a new office probably about a couple of years ago. And there were some things that fell through that didn't work out with other locations that we wanted to. And I got my heart set on a few things, but We just continued to stick through the process, and luckily we came across this brand new building, and it's going to be everything that we need to continue to grow here in Las Vegas and across the country. So that's why I'm really excited, because you don't always get the chance to move into a new building, and let alone call it your own. And for me to be in the business for 15 years, to finally have a place to say, you know, hey, I had some say into this design, and to know that this is our new home here in Las Vegas, this is super special, and I can't wait to share the final review with you folks. And thanks so much for watching and sticking with me on our journey, and I'll see you on the next video.